In this video, I will show you how to find a brute scale in LEGO Fortnite. So let's jump straight into it. So to go ahead and get a brute scale, the first thing you're going to want to find is an actual brute. Now the brutes themselves reside in any of the biomes, so whether that's the drylands, the grass plains or the frostlands, you'll be able to find a brute in any of these areas. Now they are quite rare, but they do appear. They're normally found just wandering about in the plains. Sometimes in the drylands you can find these in the caves also. Now the best way to go and find these is if you actually go ahead and turn on your visual audio indicator. So you can do this by going into your game settings, and what you want to do is come across to audio, and basically if you go into audio and then sound, you can see the visual audio visualize sound effects down here. So you want to make sure that's turned on first of all. Now once that's done, you're going to see that when you come close to different monsters and sheep and things like that, it's going to come up on your heads up display showing these noises. So for example, you can see we got the chickens on the right hand side, and this icon at the top is actually the head of the brute. Now what I would recommend is using your recurve crossbow, and you want about 50 to 100 arrows because this guy takes quite a few hits to take down. I would also recommend getting the blue squire villager to help you defeat this, as it does take some damage, but you just want to keep basically attacking this until you defeat the creature. So there's 3 different attacks. Basically what it does, it throws rocks at you, it does this kind of thing where it hits the ground, and if you get too close it's going to try and basically hit you as well. So you just want to keep avoiding it and attacking it. As I mentioned, the crossbow is probably the best way to defeat this monster, and if you do have the blue square in your village, make sure to invite them to come along with you to help defeat the brute. So once you've gone ahead and defeat the brute, as you can see, then what's going to happen is going to drop some items, with one of these being the brute scale. So you can see down here, these are the items, and it should go ahead and drop a brute scale. So that is how to go ahead and find the brute scale in LEGO Fortnite. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.